Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a rainbow flick in FIFA Mobile. So you're going to go into daily training under live events. So if I just go step by step, live events, play for rewards, regular campaign, and you're going to go into the dribble gates. Now this is a quick explainer that you need a certain player with 5-star skill in order to be able to do a rainbow flick. Now I am using Pulisic, and every single player has got 1 or 2 skill moves to their agenda. If you only just press shift, so for example if I just do this, he's only going to do a normal flick. So the easiest way to do a rainbow flick is by putting the arrow once to one side and pressing shift twice. Now this is not a rainbow flick because it's set to Pulisic, but if you have someone like Vinny or Neymar, if you follow this step by step, so arrow and double click, they're going to be able to do a rainbow flick. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.